Hey guys, this is Ricardo with RZ Floor and Bath Covering. Let me walk you guys through this luxury vinyl plank flooring my team and I have just finished out here in Wickenburg, Arizona. And stay tuned until the end so you can see what this place used to look like before this brand new flooring. So our job here was to only install the luxury vinyl plank and also do prep work for a shower pan and tile install for the shower pan. As you can see, the luxury vinyl plank looks very nice, properly installed with its underlayment, vapor barrier. As you can see, this is like a small closet area, laundry room area here. Guys, if you want to get a hold of us, our website will be down in the description. We could help you out with any of your interior or exterior projects out here in Arizona. We service the Metro Phoenix area and nearby surrounding areas. As you can see, this is the bathroom. And this is the shower pan that we prepped and we installed. This beautiful rock tile. As you can see, it's still drying. We poured the grout not too long ago, so it's still curing, it's still drying. It's real nice. And stay tuned till the end so you can see what this place used to look like before. Alright, thank you for watching. As you can see, we will begin a brand new project. We will be installing roughly 650 square feet of luxury vinyl plank. We are prepping all of the floor to get ready to apply the underlayment. As you can see, this is a room addition. And our job here is to install the luxury vinyl plank flooring only. We will also be doing deck mud work and installing the tile for that shower pan.